Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's see who this is from. And it looks like we got some tools and cross stitch. This is from GBFKE, and the first thing we have here is another one of those little bags. This is in a different color than the last one that I had. Just looking to see, maybe it'd tell me how big it was, but it didn't. So it's made just like the last one that I got. It's made out of a cloth material, and it's kind of like a cylinder. It does have the hole in it for for like yarn and that kind of thing. It's kind of bent up from being all crunched together there, but it has a nice like nylon inside to it. But it would hold a lot of, of your little things, and you could, zip it down and just fold it down and fit it in your bag. If you just had like your scissors and your washi tape or your threaders or whatever, it wouldn't take up much space. But you could also use it for what it was actually made for. It was to put a ball of yarn in there and then thread it through here, and then your ball of yarn wouldn't run all over the ground, like it has for 5,000 years, since I started, knitting and all that. We have never had anything to hold anything like that. Now that little bag was $4.38, and I think it's well worth it, under $5, and I'm going to use it when I go, out with my daughter, and we do Stitch With Me's out in the woods, and I'll just put my stuff in here, my little tools that I need, and even clips and pins if you wanted to put pin. Like a writing, well, all I have right here is a Sharpie, but yeah, I think they're awesome. I like these smaller ones better than the bigger ones, actually. I mean, you can use them for more quick things, if you will. The other ones are quite big, and, if you were going on trips, certainly, you'd have enough room for them. So, yep, I do like them. I'm glad I wanted to see what they look like in person. Okay, the first one, cross stitch that I got, is a Joy Sunday. Comes in a lovely Joy Sunday bag, very durable. We've been through this before, y'all know that. Has start and stop directions in it. And this one is the bunny and the Easter eggs. I just think it's just cute. Somebody else was doing this, and they're probably way farther than I'll ever get, but does have full stitch, French knots, and back stitch. It has 44 colors in it. So yeah, and the back stitch doesn't look too bad. They've run a little back stitch into the rabbit, to simulate fur. So yeah. I just thought it was cute, and I had to get one before Easter season was over. Oh, it's just one page. Okay. And it shows you where to put all your back stitching. See how they've used it in the fur of the rabbit? I think that's kind of cute. But I didn't have any Easter stuff. We got Easter. I mean, not Easter. We got Easter. We've got Thanksgiving, Christmas, spring, summer, sort of-ish. And lots of flowers and all kinds of other stuff. But I just wanted an Easter one. But beautiful colors. Got purples and yellows. Some browns for the rabbit. This is on 2 cards here, actually. You got, looks like, 3865. I don't think it's B5200. It's awfully dulled down, if you will, if it's B5200. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. And nice springy colors. Light, like pastel-ish looking. So yeah, I thought this was nice. And did I tell you it is a 14 count? I almost forgot to say that. My bad. Oh my goodness. And this is the canvas. Now, the colors, not colors, the symbols are different on the canvas than they are on the paper, so it doesn't match. Colors are the same, but the symbols are different between the paper pattern and the other. It is 27.5 inches. I mean centimeters. Sorry, I am just with it today. By 27. Actual picture is almost 8 inches or 20 centimeters that way, and same all the way around. So it's 20 by 20 centimeters or almost 8.5 by 8.5. So it'd be a cute little picture, and there's not a whole lot to it. I mean, it's pretty solid right through here. Comes on a nice soft canvas that is serged all the way around. And you can see the numbers really well. I'm just going to pull it up here. And that way you can see that they're very easy to read. Going as slow as I can. And you have these two. The dots mean the French knots, and the slashes mean the back stitch. So those are all there on the side. So you have all your symbols in one place. So I think it'll go fairly fast, you know, as far as that goes. So very cute. And it was $6.58. Then we have another one. And of course, oh, I'm not going to get any more 18 count. You know how that happened. Yeah, that worked well. Guess what? I got another 18 count. And I'll tell you why I got it. Let's get it out of this crunchy paper. Excuse me. I'm looking for the paper pattern. Okay, there is no picture here. It is a 35 by 45. I will put a picture of it here. I got it because it was 35 by 45. It was not a big picture. So, very nice pattern, paper pattern. It does look like it's going to have to be blown up. I mean, for some. Me, I could actually see what it is, and it does have the lines here, but not in the yellow so much. But if you were going to use it for any amount of time, let's unfold this. It is quite a big page, and it is 205 by 276. It has 30 colors. It has a nice big key here. This paper pattern will match, you know, the symbols will match the canvas. But I liked it because it was small. And of course, I loved it because it was koi. Yeah. This one was $14.28. If I said that before, I'm so sorry. That's just the way my brain's been working this week. But very nicely printed. I mean, there's no smears or anything on that. Does come with a toolkit. And it is, let's see if I can get it down again. It is an oxen again. Comes with 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. I'm just going to put that up there. Does also have an instruction page on, and it's the same picture that's on the back of the Joy Sundays as well, on how to start and how to finish. Let's take a look at the colors. Alright, pull that out and just set that up there for right now. So you got 2 skeins of number 500, and it's like a dark Kelly green. Very pretty. Beautiful. And then these look like they're all the same. That's 939, 939, and 939. So there are 3 whole skeins of that. That's 120 threads of 939. Let's take a look at these colors. If I can get them undone. They're all kind of mooshed together. Again, it happens. But I like that they put the thread in a separate bag. Keeps it kind of all together. So, beautiful, bright orange, yellow, red. Got a little gray. Some, like, a pale olive green. You have some burgundy red here. Just beautiful. Golds, whites, even a bright, I don't know what that is. Teal? Like a medium teal? I don't know. It's beautiful though. Gorgeous color. Not a whole lot of white or light colored over here. You have this one here as well. And a couple more. And then these are like pale blue and pale blue. So, and bright yellow. So beautiful colors. They're gorgeous. But I wanted one a little bit smaller, you know? It wouldn't be so daunting as those, gosh, I don't know. They're like 50 by 80. Oh my goodness. They're huge. But I just happened to notice that this one was smaller than some of the others. Hang on, I gotta put that up there. So, it is serged all the way around and has little fuzzies we're going to cut off. Because they just kind of drive me batty. Alright, here. Let me put that way, and then we'll open this up. It has 18 count. This is the product number 019. 35 by 45. Unfolded, and it does say down here 205 by 276. So it's not very big. It'd be very easy to hold on your lap and work on. I don't know. And it never says in these, you know, whether you use 2 strands or not. But I use 2 strands. Just cause. And if I think that the canvas is a little tightly woven, I will go down to 1. But until oh, avalanche. Avalanche. Yeah, but it's 2 pretty fish in the yin and yang type look. There's a lot of that 939. And the white there was 3865, but there's not very much of it. So yeah, very pretty. No 310. No 823. So, yeah. Very nice. And nice, soft canvas, maybe because it's so fine, you know, and smaller weave than 11 or 14 count. That's what I like about it. So I will be starting on this sometime. Very soon. Very, very soon. Alright, and that is all I got from GBFKE. They have diamond painting and cross stitch. They do not have a separate Joy Sunday section. They have tools and crafts for both of those. And I don't know if they've gotten the 16 count in yet or not. You'd have to check that out. I'm curious to see what that all looks like. They have free shipping on orders over $55. And if they have any specials, I will put that in the description box below. And I don't see anything in my notes about them having paint by number. So, but they may. I don't think so. But they always have a lot to choose from, and their prices are always really good. So do check them out. Thank you, GBKFE, for sending me these beautiful kits and this lovely, lovely little bag. We'll just put that little puppy to use. I like that. It's just, yeah. And I like that it folds down when you're not using it. Or if you've got stuff in there that's not going to fill up the bag, you know, you can turn it down and nothing will escape. All right. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.